Hello and welcome to Mr. Walton's Physics Lessons. In today's lesson we'll be looking at energy and power from the energy topic of GCSE Science and GCSE Physics. By the end of the lesson you should be able to define power, give some examples, and use the formula to make calculations. When a crane lifts a load, the electric current in the motor transfers energy to the gravitational potential energy store of the load. Energy also transfers to the thermal energy store of the motor and the surroundings due to friction, causing both to increase in temperature. The power of the crane's motor is the energy it supplies every second. To calculate power we use the formula, power equals energy transferred divided by the time taken. Power is measured in watts, after the famous Scottish inventor James Watt. You may have also seen power measured in kilowatts or megawatts. As power is the energy transferred in a certain time, 1 watt equals 1 joule per second. Let's look at some examples. A television needs about 100 watts. A kettle about 1000 watts, or 1 kilowatt. A wind turbine about 10,000 watts, or 10 kilowatts. And an electric locomotive about 1,000,000 watts, or 1 megawatt. Let's try an example question. A cyclist transfers 24,000 joules of energy every minute. Calculate his power. Pause the video if you want to try this for yourself. Firstly, write the formula, power equals energy transferred divided by time taken. Remember 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So substituting in the numbers gives power equals 24,000 joules divided by 60 seconds. Giving the final answer of 400 watts. Now, going back to the crane lifting its load. The output power is given by the increase in gravitational potential energy divided by time taken, or mass times gravity times height divided by time. So, if a 300 kilogram load is lifted at a height of 20 meters, the increase in gravitational potential energy is given by mgh equals 300 times 10 times 20, which equals 60,000 joules. If the crane lifted the load in 3 seconds, the power output is given by mgh divided by time taken, 60,000 joules divided by 3 seconds. The output power of the crane is 20,000 watts, or 20 kilowatts. To summarize the main points you need to know. Power is the amount of energy transferred every second, measured in watts. To calculate power the formula is energy transferred divided by time taken. If you found this lesson useful, please give it a like and subscribe to see future lessons. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.